made this little dentist joke, and he got all offended. Those people can be so touchy.
Those people. Listen to yourself.
What?
You think that dentists are so different from me and you? They came to this country just like everybody else in search of a dream.
Wally's from Jersey.
Yes, and now he's a full-fledged American.
Kramer, he's just a dentist.
Yeah, and you're an anti-dentite.
I am not an anti-dentite.
You're a rabid anti-dentite.
All right, so I just went through a little bit of a dentist nightmare. I had an eye tooth removed, so now I got hardly any teeth up there. Oh well. I went there just for the appointment to see what was going on because I could feel it going. I didn't want it to abscess and go through that pain, and he said the nerve was dying, so he goes, "Do you want to save it?" I said, "No, what's the point of saving it? It's just one tooth right there. Makes me look even worse." I don't know. But yeah, so it wasn't fun. He wrenched pretty hard on it. He broke it off. I could hear it breaking off. Those freezing needles, they didn't work very well either. I could feel the pain. I could feel it. And he jabbed more needles in there because I was wrenching, and it was awful, to say the least. So that's what I've been going through the last couple of days. The pain subsided. The stitches, they come out. But there you go. Now I got hardly any teeth. Maybe that's why people don't watch my videos. I have no idea. I don't really care. I'm bringing a message that's important. I got another word study coming up, and it's going to be a good one. Our brother Seth Fallenkamp suggested it, and I put it together. Just got to do a video. But yeah, so hopefully it'll edify, bring truth to the body of Christ, and build up the body of Christ. That's the whole objective here, is to build up the body of Christ and give you some truth directly from the scriptures as I read the scriptures for these words. But I just wanted to come on here and say a couple of words and tell you what I just went through. And I thank God for all of you and everyone that watches this channel and subscribes. I appreciate it so much. And all the comments. Grace and peace.